This short video is to make you familiar with the main aspects of my project. It is called a automated sports timekeeping system. It's my last semester project at Seneca College of Applied Arts and Technology. So the whole idea behind the project is to implement RFID technology in order to facilitate some actions and operations that take place during sports, such as timekeeping. The problem that I'm trying to solve is accuracy and timeliness in timekeeping, and I would like to just reveal the basics of the project. So first off, it's a microcontroller based project which has very low power consumption requirements. It is running off a USB port, and in this case I would plug a USB port in a transformer which goes into your 110 volts wall outlet. The RFID transponders, also known as tags, are very small pieces of equipment which have a circuit enclosed within a plastic enclosure. The ones that I chose are only 16 millimeters in diameter, and they are of negligible weight, so they can be incorporated in many applications. In our case, it is preferable that they are put into participants' shoes so that they can be registered at the finish line. The finish line has the RFID reader built in, so both the reader and the tags work at the 125 kilohertz standard, and within the reader's range, when the tag is introduced, the reader will send information to the microcontroller, and as you can see on the back of the tag, there is a hexadecimal code which presents its own identity. Then the microcontroller can intercept this and turn it into meaningful information, such as the racer's name, and the microcontroller also will record the finishing time. This is how the prototype works. You can see on the screen that the time is already running. In the lower right corner there is the RFID reader, which in a real-world application would be built in within the finish line. I just introduced a tag which was registered, and as you can see on the screen, the name of the participant is being printed out. After introducing the last tag to the reader, you can see that the screen now says the race has ended, and it also displays the finishing time. On the bottom there's two buttons, the left of which does cycle through the results. So each time I press the button on the left, you can see that the microcontroller is recalling the results from memory and cycling through them. There's also finishing times beneath the participant's name. The button next to it is the reset button. Upon pressing it, the whole system will reset, and the time will start from 0 seconds and keep with the timekeeping process. So those are the basics of my project. Thanks a lot for attending.